I did not do anything to my feet for 4 whole months just to get to this point where my feet are so rough you could make music with them. It was really uncomfortable, but you can see how effective the pedicure routine is now. Go slow on the fungicide, it can be dangerous. If I had not waited this long for a pedicure, I wouldn't have used it. Also, your hands are more heat tolerant than your feet, so chances are the water will be too hot. Add cold water as needed. I let my feet soak for 15 minutes. You can do more depending on how bad a situation you are in. Every time I pulled out a knife for newbies, they got so scared. But I have done this more than 20 times and I never cut anyone. If you don't trust yourself, use the other side of the knife. It will get some of the work done. I use two files for my pedicure, from the roughest to the smoothest. I really focus on my problem areas, which are my heels and the size of my big toes. This second file is a two-sided one. I use the roughest one first, then even everything out with the smoothest side. I started doing my own pedicure years ago because I was not happy with the way my body looks. My skin has bad scarring habits, and I was not really careful as a kid. Working in beauty parlors helped me level up my skills, so I am more confident sharing this with you. If you follow this routine once a month, your feet will feel as soft as a baby's butt. Trust me. The most important thing for me is to clean my nails. I have had ingrown nails before that led to my nail being pulled out, and God knows I don't want to go back there. I do not know much about cutting cuticles. I am always worried about hurting myself, so I use this tool to try to push back anything I can or lift anything that can move. The only thing I actually try to cut is any skin that I see hanging around lifeless. That is the only things I try to cut. I use the other side of this tool to try to remove anything that is just hanging there lifeless. A tip that I have learned is to file your nails in one direction. This is the best tip ever for anyone trying to grow long nails. I made this scrub in a video I uploaded last week. I'll put the link up here for you. I also give tips on how to preserve it for up to 3 months in the video. Feel free to check it out. Next thing I do is add some of that bathing gel in warm water, warm clear water that I'm going to use to take off any debris of scrub, take off any remaining dead skin cells and everything. Just use this brush to remove everything, clean my legs well. The brush you use has to be as soft as possible so you're not hurting your skin further. I then use my body lotion to moisturize my feet. I was a little heavy handed this time around, but it was all good. I used it to kind of massage my feet. If you want a video on how to massage feet during pedicure, I'll definitely make that for you. In fact, just tell me anything you wish to see about this pedicure routine. Anything you wish to get more information about, feel free to leave a comment and I'll probably do the video for you. I then just added nail polish and these are my results. Beautiful, right? So this is all I have for you in the video. Feel free to ask me any question in the comment section, and like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you, so they can never stay the same. Take care. Bye.